so today we're gonna do things a little differently. I'm gonna cook for you guys. I'm gonna make my Italian pasta salad. This is just my take. I know you can't go right or wrong with pasta salad. I know everyone has their own ways of making pasta salad. So this is just my little way of making it. I think it's super delicious and I know everybody enjoys it. So let's go ahead and get in the kitchen and let's start cooking. Okay, so we're in the kitchen. The first thing you're gonna do is preheat your oven. I'm gonna do it to 350. It usually takes about 25 to 30 minutes for my chicken to bake in the oven. However you make chicken, it doesn't matter. You do whatever you want, but my first ingredient I'm going to make is the chicken. The second ingredient on my list to make was my noodles. I get the rainbow pasta mainly because it adds color to my pasta salad. And this is the only noodles that I've only made pasta salad with, and makes them nice, you know? That looks nice. The third ingredient that I made was broccoli. I like to add broccoli. For one, it has a bunch of vitamins in it that is very good for you. I like to steam my broccoli. I've switched to steaming instead of boiling because I realized that boiling it holds a lot of water. I must have been boiling it too long. I don't know. But this way has never let me down. Plus, it still keeps the crunch to it. And I really do enjoy that. I know other people probably have different ways of making broccoli, just like everything else. If you have any pointers, anything, please do comment below and let me know how you make your broccoli. My chicken is finally done. It looks pretty delicious. Now it's time to cut it up. Okay, so everything is done finally. The chicken takes the longest, obviously. I made that first, and then while I was making that, I made the noodles, and then after the noodles, I made the broccoli. I add cheese in after I mix everything in. Of course, I have my Italian dressing that I'm gonna mix in. I have croutons because I like to top this off with croutons. You don't have to do any of this at all. Like I said, this is your way. You make it however you want, but this is Firefly's way. This is everything added. You can add more cheese, less cheese, whatever you want. Because this is your salad. Well, this is my salad. But you make your salad however you want. Alright. Alright, so this is what the final dish looks like. I am pretty satisfied. My chicken turned out a lot better than expected. I usually bake my chicken to the point where it's so dry. So you got your broccoli and stuff. You could add more broccoli, you can add tomatoes. This is your dish, you make it how you want. Everyone makes their pasta salad differently, as I mentioned before. This is the way I love to make it. It tastes good, it's super cheap, and it cooks super fast. You cannot go wrong with this, and it makes so much. Look how much pasta salad is in there. This bowl is pretty deep. So you can literally cook for your whole family and probably still have leftovers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that subscribe button. And until next time, guys.